Assalamu alaikum. This lesson is about the exercise of the first chapter of grade 9 chemistry, fundamentals of chemistry. First, we will do a few conceptual questions, then we will do the short and long questions given in the exercise of your book. Question number 1. Define science. Answer. The systematic knowledge obtained through observation and experiment is called science. It is repeatable by anyone, anytime, and anywhere. For example, soap formation is a science. It can be made by anyone, anytime, and anywhere. While Pakistan came into being on 14th August 1947, which cannot be repeated. Define chemistry. Answer. Chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of matter, its structure, composition, properties, changes in it, and the laws and principles under which it takes place. For example, matter, hydrogen is a gas. Structure, its structure is H-H. Question number 3. Define organic chemistry. Answer. Organic chemistry deals with the study of hydrocarbons and their derivatives, except CO, CO2, HCO3 and CN, etc. Question number 4. Define physical chemistry. Answer. Physical chemistry is a branch of science which deals with matter and energy and their mutual transformation, that is, their chemical reaction. Question number 5. Define analytical chemistry. Answer. Analytical chemistry is a quantitative and qualitative study of elements in their compounds. Quantity means how much and quality means kinds. Question number 6. Define inorganic chemistry. Answer. Inorganic chemistry is the study of all elements present in the periodic table except hydrocarbons. Question number 7. Define industrial chemistry. Answer. Industrial chemistry is study of finding ways, means and techniques to produce various materials on large scale and commercially. Examples: cement, glass, soaps, sprays, medicines, etc. Question number 8. Define nuclear chemistry. Answer. Nuclear chemistry is the study of nucleus of an atom. Changes occurring in it by absorption or emission of radiation. Question number 9. Define biochemistry. Answer. Biochemistry is the study of compound, their elements, synthesis, reaction and functions in living bodies. Question number 10. Define environmental chemistry. Answer. Environmental chemistry is the study of elements and compounds present in the environment, their harmful impact on animals, plants, and marine life. Question 11. Define element. Answer. Element is a pure substance which cannot be broken down into simpler substances by ordinary physical or chemical means. All the atoms present in it are identical. Its unit is atom. It is represented by symbols. There are 118 elements. Out of them, 92 are naturally found and 26 are man-made. Example: CH2, Cl2, Na, etc. Question number 12. Define compound. Answer. Compound is a pure substance made up of two or more elements. These elements combine chemically by definite proportion by mass. Characteristics of compound. It is a new substance with fixed properties. Parent substances change their original properties. It cannot be separated by physical means. It has fixed number of constituents. It is denoted by a chemical formula. The ratio of element are also fixed. Changing ratio will change the compound. Examples: H2O, HCl, H2SO4, etc. Now we will do the short questions of the exercise given in your book. Question number 1. How many elements are present in each of the following? A, HF and HF. Answer: HF is a compound having two elements, that is H and F. HF is the symbol of element, that is one element of HF. So total number of element is 3. CO and CO. CO is a compound having two elements, that is C and O, while CO is a symbol of element, that is one element. So total number of element is 3 in B. C, Si and SiO2. SiO2 is a compound having two elements, that is Si and O, while Si is a symbol of element, that is one element of Si. So total number of element is 3 in C. D. PoCl2 and PoCl3. PoCl2 is a compound having two elements, that is PO and Cl. PoCl3 is also a compound having three elements, that is PO and Cl. But Cl is common in both, so total number of element is 3 in D. Question number 2. Cm is the chemical symbol for curium, named after the famous scientist Madame Curie. Why wasn't the symbol C, Cu or Cr used instead? Answer: Curium was discovered by American scientists in 1944. As you said in the question, it was named curium to tribute famous female scientist, Madame Marie Curie. When the matter of allotting symbol arose for curium, the possible symbols were Cu, Cr, C and Cm. But Cu, Cr and C were already allotted by Berzelius in 1808 to copper, chromium and carbon respectively. Because these elements were present prehistorically, that's why she suggested Cm for curium, that is Curie Marie. Question number 3. What is atomic number of an element? How does it differ from the mass number? Answer: atomic number. It is defined as the number of protons present in a nucleus of an atom. It is denoted by Z. It is fixed and specific for each element. It is measured in AMU. For example, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. The atomic number of carbon atom is 6. Difference between atomic number and mass number. Atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus, while mass number is the number of protons plus neutrons present in the nucleus. Atomic number is denoted by Z, while mass number is denoted by A. Question number 4. Students often mix up the following elements. Give the name of each element. A, Mg and Mn. B, K and P. C, Na and S. D, Cu and Co. Answer: Mg is a symbol of magnesium. Mn is a symbol of manganese. K is a symbol of potassium, while P is a symbol of phosphorus. Na is a symbol of sodium, S is symbol of sulfur, Cu is symbol of copper, Co is symbol of cobalt. Question number 5. Classify the following molecules as monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic and polyatomic molecules. Answer: molecule. The smallest particle of a compound or element that can exist in nature as free, independent and distinguishable entity is called a molecule. It is stable. It is the unit of matter. It has 4 types: monoatomic molecule, diatomic molecule, triatomic molecule and polyatomic molecule. Monoatomic molecule. Mono means one, atomic means number of atom. A molecule which is composed of only one atom is called monoatomic molecule. For example, He and Ar. Diatomic molecule. A molecule which is composed of two atoms is called diatomic molecule. For example, N2 and HCl. Triatomic molecules. A molecule which is made up of three atoms is called as triatomic molecule. For example, H2O and CO2. Polyatomic molecule. Poly means many. When a molecule is composed of two or more than two atoms, then it is called polyatomic molecule. For example, S8, H2SO4, C6H12O6, H2O, N2, HCl, and CO2. Question number 5, Part B. Classify the following as cation, anion, molecular ion, free radical, and molecule. Answer: cation. When an atom or group of atoms loses an electron from its valence shell, a net positive charge appears on it. Such atom is called cation. For example, Mg+2 Na+. Anion. When an atom or groups of atoms gain an electron or more, it is called anion. It bears negative charge on it. For example, O-2 Cl-. Molecular ion. A molecule which forms an ion by the gain or loss of electron is called molecular ion. For example, CH+, CO+, CO3-2, CH2O5-1. Free radical. A free radical are atoms or groups that has a single unpaired electron in an outer shell with no charge. For example, CH3 0. Molecule. A molecule is found by the chemical combination of atoms. It is the smallest unit of a substance. For example, CO2, O2, H2O, Cl2. Question number 6. Calculate the number of moles of butane C4H10 in 151 grams of butane. Atomic mass of carbon is 12 AMU and hydrogen is 1 AMU. Answer: data. Number of moles of butane is unknown. Mass of butane 151 gram. Molar mass of C4H10 is equal to 4 into 12 plus 10 into 1, which is equal to 48 plus 10. The answer is 58 gram. Now we will find the solution. The formula is moles is equal to mass in grams over molar mass. Putting in the values we have, moles is equal to 151 divided by 58. And the answer is 2.63 moles. Question number 7. What is the mass of 5 moles of ice? Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 AMU. Oxygen is 16 AMU. Answer: number of moles in ice equals to 5 moles. Mass of ice is unknown. Molar mass of ice is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16, which is equal to 18 grams. Solution. Formula: moles is equal to mass in grams over molar mass. Putting in the values we have, 5 is equal to mass of ice divided by 18. By cross multiplication we have mass of ice is equal to 18 into 5, and the answer is 90 gram. Question number 8. Calculate the number of molecules in 6.50 mole of CH4. Answer: number of moles of CH4 is equal to 6.50 molecules. Number of molecules of CH4 is equal to unknown. Avogadro's number: 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Solution. Formula: moles is equal to number of molecules divided by Avogadro's number. Putting in the values we have, 6.50 is equal to number of molecules divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, By cross multiplication, we have number of molecules is equal to 6.50 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. And the answer is 3.914 into 10 to the power 24 molecules. Question number 9. Calculate the average atomic mass of lithium from the following data. Answer. Formula and solution. Average atomic mass of lithium is equal to mass of first isotope into Na plus mass of second isotope into Na divided by 100. Putting in the values, we have average atomic mass of lithium is equal to 6.0151 into 75 multiplied by 7.0160 into 92.5 divided by 100. And the answer is 6.94 AMU. Question number 10. Calculate the mass of 6.68 into 10 power 23 molecules of PCl3. Answer. Mass of PCl3 unknown. Molar mass of PCl3 is equal to 1 into 31 plus 3 into 35.5, which is equal to 31 plus 106.5, which is equal to 137.59. Avogadro's number 6.023 into 10 power 23. Molecules of PCl3 is equal to 6.68 into 10 power 23. Solution. Moles is equal to particles of PCl3 divided by Avogadro's number, which is equal to 6.68 into 10 power 23 divided by 6.023 into 10 power 23, which is equal to 1.1091. Moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. By cross section, mass of PCl3 is equal to moles divided by molar mass, which is equal to 1.1091 into 137.5. Answer is 152.50 AMU. Let's do the long questions of exercise given in your chemistry book. Question number 1. State and explain with examples. The empirical formula of a compound, the molecular formula of a compound. Answer. Empirical formula. The formula which shows the simplest ratios of the atom present in the molecule is called as empirical formula. It is denoted by EF and is given by EF is equal to MF divided by N. It may not be the actual formula of a compound. For example, the actual formula of benzene is C6H6. Benzene has the simplest ratio of 1:1, so its empirical formula is CH. Molecular formula. A formula which shows actual number of atoms present in a molecule of a compound is called as molecular formula. It is denoted by MF and is obtained as MF is equal to N into EF, where N is equal to MF divided by EF. EF is equal to empirical formula. Examples: molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6. Molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. Question number 2. What do you understand by the terms mole and Avogadro's number? Explain with suitable examples. Answer. Mole. Mole is the counting unit to measure a substance, and it is defined as the amount of substance which contain an Avogadro's number. It is also an atomic mass, molecular mass, or formula mass taken in grams at the same time. Mole is a quantity gram and a number, that is 6.023 into 10. It is represented by mole and is a basic quantity of substance. For example, atomic mass of carbon is 12 grams, which is equal to 1 mole of carbon. Molecular mass of H2O is 18 grams, which is equal to 1 mole of water. Formula mass of NaCl is equal to 58.5 grams, which is equal to 1 mole of sodium chloride. Avogadro's number. Avogadro's was an Italian scientist who proposed this number, therefore it is called Avogadro's number. It is represented by Na and is equal to 6.023 into power 23. Explanation. 12 similar things is equal to dozen. 20 similar things is equal to score. 14 similar things is equal to gross. Similarly, Avogadro number is a countable number, which is defined as the number of particles, atom, molecules, or ions in 1 mole of any substance. Example, 1 gram of hydrogen is equal to 1 mole, which is equal to 6.023 into power 23 atoms of hydrogen. 12 gram of carbon is equal to 1 mole, which is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of carbon. 18 grams of water is equal to 1 mole, which is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of water. Question number 3, Part A. Compare and contrast a mixture and a compound. Give examples of each of them. Part B. How will you classify molecules? Support your answer with at least 2 examples of each. Answer. Mixture and compound. Mixture is found by the physical combination or mixing up of substances. Compound is found by chemical combination of atoms of element. The constituents retain their properties in a mixture. Mixture does not have fixed composition by mass. The constituents lose their original properties in a compound. Compound always has fixed composition by mass. The components of mixture can be separated by physical methods. It consists of 2 or more components and does not have any chemical formula. The components of compound cannot be separated by physical methods. Every compound is represented by its chemical formula. Mixture may be homogeneous or heterogeneous in composition. Mixture does not have sharp and fixed melting points. Compound is homogeneous mixture. Compound has sharp and fixed melting points. Example of mixture is the solution of table salt NaCl dissolved in water and salad. Example of compound is water and hydrogen peroxide. Question number 3, Part B. Molecules. A molecule is formed by the chemical combination of atoms. It is the smallest unit of a substance. Molecule is the smallest particle of matter which can exist free in nature and may be composed of like or unlike atoms. It shows all the properties of a particular substance. Classification of molecules. Molecules are classified into 4 main types. Classification of molecules. Molecules are classified into 4 main types. Monoatomic molecule. Mono means one. This molecule is made up of only one atom. For example, He, Ne, Ar, etc. Diatomic molecule. Di means 2. It consists of 2 atoms, for example, hydrogen, H2, oxygen, O2. Triatomic molecule. Tri means 3. It consists of 3 atoms, for example, water, H2O, and carbon dioxide, CO2. Polyatomic molecule. Poly means many. This molecule is made up of many atoms. For example, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, sugar, C12H22O11, etc. Question number 4, Part A. What is the molecular mass of a compound? How will you differentiate it from formula mass? Part B. Calculate the molecular mass or formula mass as the case may be of the following compounds in AMU. Answer. Molecular mass. Molecular mass is the total atomic mass of all the atoms present in the molecule. Molecular mass of a substance can be calculated by adding the total number of atomic masses of all the atoms in one molecule of the substance. For example, molecular formula of ethane is C2H6. Atomic mass of carbon is 12. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Molecular mass of ethane is 2 into atomic mass of carbon plus 6 into atomic mass of hydrogen, which is equal to 24 plus 6. Thus, molecular mass of ethane is 30 AMU. Formula mass. The sum of atomic masses of ions present in formula unit of an ionic compound is called formula mass. The formula mass is calculated in the same manner as we did for the molecular mass. For example, formula mass of NaCl is equal to 1 into atomic mass of Na plus 1 into atomic mass of Cl, which is equal to 23 plus 35.5 AMU. Thus, the formula mass of NaCl is 58.5 AMU. Question number 4, part B. Calculate the molecular mass or formula mass, as the case may be, of the following compounds in AMU. Number 1, benzene C6H6. Molecular mass of benzene is equal to 6 into atomic mass of carbon plus 6 into atomic mass of hydrogen, which is equal to 72 plus 6. The answer is 78 AMU. Number 2, ethane C2H6. Molecular formula of ethane is C2H6. Atomic mass of carbon is 12. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Molecular mass of ethane 2 into atomic mass of carbon plus 6 into atomic mass of hydrogen, which is equal to 24 plus 6. Thus, molecular mass of ethane is 30 AMU. Number 3, aluminium chloride AlCl3. Molecular mass of aluminium chloride is equal to 1 into atomic mass of aluminium plus 3 into atomic mass of Cl, which is equal to 27 plus 106. The answer is 133.5 AMU. Number 4, iron oxide Fe2O3. Molecular mass of iron oxide is equal to 2 into atomic mass of Fe plus 3 into atomic mass of O, which is equal to 112 plus 48. Thus, the atomic mass of iron oxide is 160 AMU. Question number 5, part A. Find out the number of protons, electrons and neutrons in the following elements. Part B. Complete the following table. Part A. Find out the number of protons, electrons and neutrons in the following element. The first element is sodium. The number 23 written at the top of the symbol sodium is mass number. It is denoted by the letter A. The number 11 written at the bottom of the symbol of sodium is atomic number. It is denoted by letter Z. Mass number of sodium is 23, atomic number is 11. Proton numbers are 11, the number of electrons are 11. Neutron is mass number minus atomic number, and the answer is 12. So the number of neutrons in sodium is 12. The second element is Ag. Mass number denoted by A, 107. Atomic number denoted by Z is 47. Number of protons is 47. Number of electrons is 47. Neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number, which is equal to 107 minus 47. So the number of neutrons of Ag is 60. The third element is Fe. Mass number of Fe is 56. Atomic number is 26. Number of protons is 26. Number of electrons is 26. Neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number, which is equal to 56 minus 26. So the number of neutrons of Fe is 30. Next element is Pb. Mass number is 207. Atomic number is 82. Number of protons is 82. Number of electrons is 82. Neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number, which is 207 minus 82. So the number of neutrons in Pb is 125. Next element is Ar. Mass number is 40. Atomic number is 18. Number of protons is 18. Number of electrons is 18. Number of neutrons is mass number minus atomic number, which is 40 minus 18. So the number of neutrons is 22. The last element is U. Mass number is 238. Atomic number is 92. Number of protons is equal to 92. Number of electrons is equal to 92. Number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number, which is 238 minus 92. So the answer is 146 neutrons. Question number 5, part B. Complete the following table. The first symbol is K. Its atomic number is 19, so the number of protons and electrons would also be 19. Second symbol is O. Its atomic number is 8, so the number of protons and electrons would also be 8. Third is P. Its atomic number, number of protons and number of electrons all would be 15. Fourth is Ca. Atomic number, protons and electrons are 20. Fifth is Cl. Its atomic number, number of proton and number of electrons would be 17.